Hello friends, welcome to our channel study guide. As you know friends, we have already promised you that we will bring some of the classes, that means some crash course for RRB group D, okay? And we have already bring the reasoning part, the general awareness part, and right now we are bringing the general science, okay? Because the general science is very important for your RRB group D, and if you want to score or if you want to rank, then your general science questions will help you to give you a better rank, okay? Because what I think that the reasoning may I am not confirm about that, but reasoning may be not so effective, okay? If you try to solve all the reasoning, okay, it will take some time, okay? You can score by the maths, you can score by the general science, and you can score by the general awareness, and there will be some tricky reasonings, okay? And maybe 8 to 10 very tricky reasonings where you can misguide it and will provide a wrong answer to the railway board, okay? And some of the 4 to 5 math question will be there. It will take 2 or 3 minutes of time. So more or less it will be the strategy of the railway board to misguide you through your examination, that they will waste your time, but you have to make a strategy. What is the strategy should be that yes, what are the maths will can be done on the 45-30 seconds or within 1 minute. You have to complete that one. If you think you have to study once again the math, and if you think that yes, this math will going to give me some 2 or 3 or 4 minutes of time, don't attempt that one, okay? Go to the next one. If you follow our guidelines, then what will happen, you can watch or you can go through the 100 questions, and the reasoning section there will be some tricky questions, okay? Tricky question that may be very analytical or very logical, okay? And if you try to find out this logical analytical thing in the examination, and it will, if you lack of practice, it will give you more it will take more than 2 or 3 minutes of time, okay? So we are just guiding you how to score a better number in the railway group D examination, because in group D there will be one tier, no second tier. First tier will be the written, and based on your written your rank will be preferred, okay? Because when you have filled the form of group D right now, you can remember. So okay, trackman should not be the first preference, okay? Because trackman is a very laborious job, okay? Whereas the electrical signal, mechanical fitters, some jobs are there, some type of less difficulties, okay? Sweeper, okay, if your rank is below, then you will go to sweeper, something like that, trackman, sweeper, okay? So below rank holder, okay? If you want to go to the good quality job where from you can get a promotion very easily, okay, so then you have to score a very good rank, okay? Your rank is very important for the group D perspective. And the group D there is also tier 2, and the tier 2 is not written. Tier 2 is the physical fitness. I hope that all of you are very physically fit and you are practicing in the field, okay? If you are practicing in the field, okay, if you are practicing in the field, it will help you, okay? And try to do it from today, okay? And if you are not doing, do it from today, because if you think that yes, later I will provide the field work, okay, it will not be possible for you, okay, until and unless you are very physically fit, okay? So try to keep practicing, okay? Let us start our expected question from the general science class 1, okay? So let us move to our first question. Our first question, okay, the question have been selected from the chemistry, okay? And from chemistry, periodic table is very important, okay? So we have choose the periodic table. First question, how many periods are there in the modern periodic table? How many periods are there in the modern periodic table? There are 7 periods in the modern periodic table, okay? You have to remember all those points. Next, how many groups are there in the modern periodic table? Our second question is, how many groups are there in the modern periodic table? There are 18 groups in the modern periodic table. Next, in the modern periodic table, which periods have only 8 elements? Okay, there are the 2 periods which has only 8 elements, and they are 2 and 3. Okay, in modern periodic table, which periods have 8 elements? Only 2 and 3. Next, S block element has a general structure of, okay, there are 3 block element, S block, D block and P block. Okay, so S block element has a general structure of NS1 or NS2. Okay, NS1 to 2, that means NS1, it may be NS1 or it may be NS2. Okay, next question. The D block elements, okay, D block elements has a general structure of N minus 1 into D 1 to 10 and NS 1 to 2. What does that mean? That means 3D will be fill up first and 4S will be fill up later. Okay, okay, this question has a lot of times, this question have been asked in the railway examination. Okay, first the 3D or 3D will be fill up and then the 4S will be fill up, like that one. Okay, so D maybe 1 to 10. Okay, D5 one of the stable, D5 will be the stable, maybe 3D1, okay, and 4S2, like that one structure. Okay, 4S1. Okay, the structure first D will be completed and then S will be completed. 4, okay, and N minus 1 D will be completed. You have to remember this structure. S block elements has the general structure of, S block element has the general structure of, okay, S block elements has the general structure of NS1. So NS will be fill up first and then NP will be fill up later. Okay, NS1 or 2 or NP 1 to 6. Okay, this structure you have to remember because this is the basic structure of the S block elements. Okay, there are the 3 block element S block. Okay, D block element are called the transition element, D block element are called the transition element. Okay, so you may be asked that what is the general structure of the transition element. Okay, so S block elements are NS 1 to 2, NP 1 to 6. Okay, you have to remember all the structure, practice them in your copy, and you have to remember for your future exam. Okay, next, group 1A. Group 1A in the modern periodic table is known as alkali metal, is known as alkali metal. What are the examples of the alkali metal? Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, lithium Li, sodium Na, potassium K. Okay, rubidium Rb. They have a structure of NS1. How? Okay, see, if I take sodium 11, okay, what will happen from this for the sodium? Okay, sodium will be at the last 3s1. Okay, the structure is like last 3s1. First 1s2, okay, 2s2, 2p6, that means 6 plus 2 plus 2, that means 10 argon. Okay, and last one will be filled in the 3s1. Okay, this is the structure of the sodium. Okay, so they all, group 1A has the same structure of NS1. If you think about the potassium, it will be 4s1. Okay, if you think about the rubidium, it will be 5s1. Okay, but at the last they will have a s1, that is 3s1, 2s1. Okay, lithium has 2s1, sodium has 3s1, potassium has 4s1, rubidium has 5s1. Okay, next, group 2A is known as alkaline earth metal. Group 2A is known as alkaline earth metal. Okay, what are the examples of the alkaline earth metal? Beryllium, okay, magnesium, calcium. Okay, the general configuration again NS2, that means at the end of the structure there will be S2, that means beryllium has 2s2, magnesium has 3s2 and calcium has 4s2. Okay, magnesium is how much? 12. Okay, atomic weight 12. If atomic weight is 12, atomic weight is 12, so I can structure 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. Okay, this is the general structure of the magnesium. Our next question, Mendeleev named an element eka-aluminium. Mendeleev named an element eka-aluminium before its invention. Okay, you know that there was also a periodic table named Mendeleev periodic table where the Mendel name an element eka-aluminium. Okay, why this is named as the eka-aluminium? Because Mendeleev think that its property will be similar to the aluminium. Okay, before its invention. You think before its invention. Okay, later it was named as what? Later it was named as Galium. Okay, later it was named as Galium, and this question will be asked in your RRB Group D examination. I don't know which day, which set, but it will be asked. Okay, these very questions are very important for your railway group D examination. And Mendeleev named an element eka-Silicon before its invention. Okay, why? Because Mendeleev calculate, and if his calculation tells Mendeleev that yes, there will be an element which is similar to the silicon. Mendeleev named it as a eka-Silicon. Later, it was found by some scientist. I don't know the name. Okay, later the name will not be asked, but it will be asked what is the name of. You all know, all of you watching my videos all know that yes, germanium. We know that the germanium and the silicon has a very similar properties, very close similar properties. And where they are used? They are used in the transistor. Okay, diode, transistor, making the transistor diode in the transistor. Okay, so we know that, but they have almost similar properties. Okay, and if you think about the reverse saturation current, okay, there is something difference between the saturation current, but yes, the silicon and the germanium has a very similar property, though the silicon can be found too much in our earth, so we use the silicon, but silicon and the germanium has almost similar property, and you know all about that, and we will discuss about their properties in our analog classes. Okay, and thank you for watching our video, and hope you will like our video. If you like our video, please share among your friends and the friends who was aspiring for the group D examination. Okay, because these questions will be very important for their examination perspective. Okay, and if you are watching our video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon too for the latest update. Thank you for watching.